Hi everyone, my name's Delaney Myrick and this is my video on hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism and the endocrine system are connected. The endocrine system is extremely important to the body because glands produce hormones, which are chemical substances that keep the body in a state of homeostasis. Homeostasis is a state of equilibrium, and therefore, if there's a shift in these chemical substances or hormones, it throws off the body's processes and disrupts its functions. A person can be tested for hypothyroidism from a thyroid function test, which is abbreviated TFT, and this is a blood test that tells a person if their level of thyroid hormone in the body is too high or too low. From looking at the word, an individual can conclude that the prefix means under or deficient, so then, by looking at the word, a person can tell kind of what the definition is. So hypothyroidism in infants is called cretinism, and if it isn't treated, it can cause mental retardation, impaired growth, and abnormal bone formation. Hypothyroidism in adults is called myxedema and can be characterized by edema, fatigue, sluggishness, depression, joint pain, weight gain, and many other things. A main cause of hypothyroidism is an autoimmune disorder called Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which occurs when the immune system attacks the thyroid gland. There are some treatments for hypothyroidism, and one of the common ones are hormone replacement tablets, and another one is removing the thyroid gland altogether, which is also called a thyroidectomy, which we've learned in a different chapter. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video.